It's that experience that you're creating, and it can be in any way that you see fit for your brand and your company, whatever resonates with your people, right? But figure out something that you can do to celebrate and reward them and show gratitude and thank them in a personalized way too. A handwritten thing. Maybe you could recognize certain employees during that time and say, this employee was the hardest worker or achieved XX in this and whatever. Just make sure you're calling that out. And I think through that experience and through those bonds that you're building, it's the same thing that you do with customers, guys, but it's like your teams. Like, you want your teams to be loyal. You want to have less employee turnover. So how do you do that? You make them feel like you genuinely care about them, and you extend grace to them, and you extend love and compassion and whatever way you can do to serve your employees and show them like, hey, we're going to have fun. We're going to be happy together. We're going to laugh together.
Keep it clean.